That's it. Dumper and digger is here, ready to knock this wall down. Obviously put the puppy away, move all this crap out of the way, drag that bag out, knock this wall down, move it all, and then get in here and start digging. Before I start all that madness, I need a coffee badly. So yeah, let's get this wall down. Minor success. I just need to break up these stones, get them in the dumper and leave them down the front. I'm going to have to go and get a sledgehammer for this because I can't get this out now. I did cut down all the way, but the foundation brick on the bottom, I'm going to have the sledgehammer out. I might be able to fit the digger in through there. It's very windy, sorry. And start ripping all these sods out. I'm going to put all these in there. Now that's all that in there. We really need to get a sledgehammer to smash all this up, so we'll come back once I have that. So that's the wall down and a start with, guys. So we're going to leave it for that for this video. Make sure you're following along, smash that subscribe button, give the video a like, and come back next time to see all this getting dug out. Peace out, see you in the next one. Be dedicated, guys. But everything is not enough. Really out by the ocean, and all those white hot sands, where every sunrise is just for you.